Hello everyone, this is Yannick from Cancel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to plan a mission using the Zenmuse L3. Please note a little disclaimer first that this is not a training. I'm going to show you some basic settings and recommended settings, but of course, every mission is different and you should apply different settings according to your need and the output of your project. So first of all, let's go and select flight route to create a new route. I could press on the plus sign or create a new route. I have two options here, area route or a linear route for corridor mapping. Let's go and create an area route. All right, we got on the map here. I will change that layers to satellite in order to see better where I'm positioned. Perfect. And I'm just going to put a few points. I'm trying as much as possible when I choose area route to keep it square or rectangular. It makes mission planning easier. Then let's choose our aircraft, the Matrice 400 and the Zenmuse L3. We have the option of photogrammetry or LiDAR mapping. With LiDAR mapping, we could do photogrammetry as well at the same time. In our returns here, we have the choice of 1 to 16 returns. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 4 returns here. Sampling rate, we have the normal sampling frequency and the high resolution sampling. On the normal frequency, we have the choice of 100,000 points per second or 350,000 points per second. It is usually recommended to use 350,000 points per second. But on the high resolution, we have the choice of 1 million points per second to 2 million points per second. Again, depending on your need and your project, I'm going to go back to normal sampling rate here and choose 350,000 points per second. Scanning mode, we have the linear mode, we have the non-repetitive mode, and we have the new star shape mode. So linear mode is the more accurate one. And for photo resolution, we have the choice of 6K or 12K. Now I could create a name for my mission. Just make sure you have no space in between different words. And we could go and choose our altitude for the mission, and we'll see the information for our GSD. We could do a mission above ground level or above takeoff point. So above ground level, we have real-time terrain following option and so on. So I've chosen 120 meters and I have a GSD of 1.2 centimeter. If you're choosing real-time follow, just enable it. If not, you're going to do you can load a model, an elevation model to follow the terrain. All right, let's choose a safe takeoff altitude here. I'm just making sure that it's safe. IMU calibration should always be on. As far as speed is concerned, we do recommend flying around anywhere around 10 meters per second. Again, depending on your needs and your quantity of points on the ground, but this is a good starting point. Force angle, we could change the direction of our mission planning. Then we could go into our advanced setting. For the side overlap for the LiDAR, we do recommend fly around 50%. The IMU is better on the L3, so we've seen a lot of cases where people are using 30% and are pretty successful with it. So again, depending on your mission and your type of mission. Photo mode, we have time interval versus distance interval. This is really a question of preference. We could edit the start point of the mission by pressing this function and just setting a new point, one of the other corner where we want the mission to start, and it's going to reposition the whole mission. Takeoff speed is the speed at which you go to the first waypoint, and then you can choose to bypass obstacle during the flight. So that's it. In just a few clicks like this, you have created your first L3 mission and you're ready to go and fly it.